So welcome to Python programming for AI and ML. In this session we will understand compile time error and runtime error. Okay. Say A equals 10. Okay. Say B equals 20. Right. Now print A. Suppose I am going to delete this right parenthesis and you run this program. You will be getting syntax error. So all this syntax error and indentation error are compile time error. For example, see unexpected end of file while parsing. So this is what kind of error? You see here, this is syntax error. Syntax error means compile time error. Syntax error. Okay. Now suppose I am giving this run, then you will get 10. Okay. Now what I am going to do? Print suppose B. Okay. What will happen here? Just if you run, how the program is indicating this? This is syntax error. If there is syntax error, then it will be not converted to bytecode. To get source code to be converted into bytecode, there should not be any syntax error. So syntax error is coming. Now what to do? Keep this and here write print C. Print C. Now there is no syntax error. So this source code will be converted to bytecode by using implicit compiler, and then role of interpreter will come. Interpreter will execute this code line by line. A equals 10, B equals 20, print A, print B. All these will be executed. All these will be executed because there is no syntax error. And we will get error at print C during runtime. Let's run this to be more clear. Let's see. You can see name error. So name error, value error comes while runtime. While compilation there is no problem because there is no syntax error. But C is not defined. So while runtime you will get name error as C is not defined. Right? And now if you want to check like that, you give here run this, then you will be finding indentation error. So indentation error is syntax error. Unnecessary, we cannot give a space. So just I am writing here. I am writing here C equal to 10. Now no syntax error. No, you will not get even runtime error. You will get 10, 20 and 20. If you want to make it 30, you can make it 30. You will get 10, 20 and 30. So no syntax error and no runtime error. It means neither compile time error nor runtime error after interpreter. So what is the sequence of compilation? Sequence is first source code. Let me zoom it. First is source code. Source code will be converted into bytecode. Bytecode means .py, and after that it will pass through interpreter, and then it will run step by step. So here what will come? Here compiler will come. So in Python, implicit compiler is there. Source code will be converted to bytecode, that is .py file, and then on after interpreter. Like this interpreter will convert this byte code. It will execute one by one, step by step. For example, it will execute first this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then print b, then print c. This is the flow of Python program. Thank you.